What if the single most powerful thing you could do for your health required no gym, no equipment, and cost you absolutely nothing? Most people are completely sleeping on the simplest health habit in existence, and the science behind it will blow your mind. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you walk 10,000 steps a day, from week 1 all the way to 90 days in. Here's something wild. The 10,000 step number didn't come from doctors. It started as a marketing campaign in 1965 when a Japanese company launched a pedometer called the Monpo K, which literally means 10,000 steps meter. But decades of research have now backed it up. Studies from Harvard Medical School found that people who consistently hit 10,000 steps a day had dramatically lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and early death. The marketing became the medicine. In week 1, your body starts changing faster than you'd expect. Your heart wakes up. Walking raises your heart rate into the aerobic zone and your heart muscle starts pumping more efficiently, causing your resting heart rate to drop over time. Every step also triggers your muscles to pull glucose directly out of your bloodstream without needing insulin, which means your blood sugar stabilizes and your energy stops crashing mid-afternoon. Then there's the mood shift. Walking releases endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, your brain's natural feel-good cocktail. Research shows even a 10-minute walk measurably reduces anxiety. 1 week in, and your brain, heart, and blood chemistry are already running better. That's not motivation talk, that's biology. By day 30, people around you start to notice. Walking at a brisk pace burns 400 to 500 calories daily above your baseline, which adds up to nearly a pound of pure fat lost over a month, without changing a single thing about your diet. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that regular walkers reduced their blood pressure by an average of 5 points in just 30 days, the equivalent of some medications with 0 side effects. Your joints feel better too because walking stimulates synovial fluid production, the natural lubricant inside your joints that reduces stiffness and pain, and your posture improves. Walking passively strengthens your core, glutes, and lower back with every single stride. Day 60 is where things get truly extraordinary. Consistent walking has been shown to physically increase the size of your hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning, by approximately 2%, effectively reversing 1 to 2 years of age-related brain shrinkage. You are literally growing your brain. Sleep transforms at this stage too. Walkers report falling asleep faster and waking up more rested because walking regulates your circadian rhythm and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps you wired at night. And because cortisol drives belly fat storage, lower cortisol means a smaller waistline too. Walking also reduces C-reactive protein, the primary marker of chronic inflammation, by up to 35%, and chronic inflammation is the silent driver behind heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and depression. By day 90, the transformation goes beyond physical. Your risk of heart disease has dropped by up to 30%. Your risk of type 2 diabetes has been cut by up to 58%. Your immune system is stronger, your inflammation is down, your blood pressure is lower, and your body composition has shifted. According to Harvard research, people who walk regularly live an average of 3.4 years longer than those who are sedentary, with dramatically better quality of life in those extra years. And mentally, something shifts too. When you show up for your health every single day, you start to see yourself as someone who takes care of themselves, and that identity quietly upgrades every other area of your life. Here's the bottom line. Walking 10,000 steps a day is the most accessible, most research-backed, most sustainable health habit available to any human being on the planet, and it's completely free. You don't need a gym, you don't need a coach, you just need to move. Start today. Even 5,000 steps is a win, because 90 days from now, the version of you that walks every day will barely recognize who you are right now, and that is exactly the point. If this video gave you one reason to lace up your shoes today, hit subscribe,